Hey guys, what's going on? It's Don here from Novaspirit Tech, and today I got a really special episode for you guys. We're going to be water cooling a Raspberry Pi. Now some say it's very pointless to water cool a Raspberry Pi, and I say, then why'd you click on this video?
Don from Novaspirit Tech died yesterday, and I'm still processing it. That video I just showed was the first time I saw him on YouTube, and ever since I've been subscribed to his channel. He's made a ton of videos about self-hosting, SBCs, retro gaming, CAD, pretty much all the same things I do these days. Cancer took him away from us far too early, and he had posted a couple updates to his channel about it. Death isn't something we like to think about, but the one thing I know is some good can come from it. I had asked everyone to support Don's channel back when I first found out he had cancer less than a year ago, and today I have one simple request. His family asked that if anyone would like to support them after Don's passing, they can donate towards his son's college fund. So I have the instructions for that in the description, though you have to have a US bank account to donate. And if you're part of the many communities that Don was in, I'll post any updates that I have in a pinned comment. Don, for myself and for everyone else in the tech YouTube community, we'll miss you. Thanks for sharing your love and passion for tech with the world. We'll definitely continue hacking till it hurts, though I didn't know it'd hurt this much.
And as I say in my nerd cave, hack till it hurts.